I, as man, I have walked upon this earth generations and generations. But then I ask myself this one question: am I worthy? As human beings, we all aspire to do great things. However, we do not sit back and consider the great things are not done by impulse. No, 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 but by a series of small things brought together. And now I am learning because I see now that the small things in life, those are what counts. It is the inconsequential leak. That leak empties the biggest of all reservoirs. It is the small things that make the big. Hence, I remind you to stay faithful to things large. However, remember that it is the small things the size of a mustard seed, that ultimately moves mountains. And hence, my ultimate request, wherever you are in the world, it takes no struggle at all. If you can take a seedling tree, and plant it wherever you live, anywhere, as long as you have faith that it will one day grow from that tiny seedling into a tree, and the generations to come will benefit from it, and you and your family will too. Take the step of faith. It requires small efforts, but if we do it collectively, then it will make a big movement. That is my message. That is my call for action. And that is what the Voices of Nature stands for.